Okay, here we have a jet dryer blower air duster. This is electronic. It is not a compressor duster like the old school that you might have been used to seeing. This one produces all the air from an actual jet fan that is metallic. And this is absolutely a beast. It's tiny but mighty, let me tell you right now. And let me get inside the box and see what's going on. I like the unboxing so far. Looks really nice. And you have the user's manual, the modes. You have a little carrying bag right here. Real nice material. You have brushes from the wide dusting brush, small brush. You have the head brush that looks like those vacuum cleaner brushes that you can do for dusting. You have the tubes and the USB charger, another brush that's to dust off and remove stuff, and the machine itself. This thing is actually beautiful. Looks so cool. The design, they really did a beautiful job. Yes, you have a scroll wheel right there that you can actually adjust the speed or the power of the fan. It does that. If you click only once on up button, it will start only that, and then you click it, and here you go. That is the fan, and whoa, it actually pushed everything out, and I didn't even click it more than at 1. This is only level 1. That is what I call actual power. And this thing, let me tell you, you will love it. Trust me, you will love this one. You have the battery indicator right there on the side. When you press the button, the indicator becomes your power indicator instead. And you can use the wheel to go up and down as you see right there. And let me just push something off the table probably really quick. This thing is really cool. Put this one here. Just be careful. This thing is powerful. On the back of it, you have that mesh. And here's something dusty, I guess. And look at that. Like there was never dust in that device. Look at this thing. I mean, it took just a few seconds and you can scroll wheel down to 0 if you want to. This is absolutely nice. And you can put other heads if you wish so. That is totally up to you. But this thing is really something. You can use it to clean stuff in your car. You can clean air vents in the car, seats, cushions. You can clean couches at home. You can clean around TVs, motherboards, computers. Yeah, your PC probably needs to be cleaned just like mine. And this thing will do it with flying colors. It has some real power. Look, I can press the box literally to flat just with the air on it. Literally, I'm not using anything else on it, just the air. So let me put it here on the table and see. Look, it's pulling and pushing itself just by its own air pressure. Huh? I'm not pushing. Let me increase the speed and it starts flying off. Look, just by its own power. I'm not doing anything to it. Look at this thing. That jet is powerful, let me tell you. Whoo, I don't want to drop it in the floor, but look at that. Let me drop the speed really quick. Whoo, this thing is actually that good. I'm going to be using this a lot, probably to clean the car and just to clean stuff around in general. It is way better than I expected, especially for a small, tiny thing like this. I don't know how they did it, but they did some powerful work on it. And on the back, let me see if I can show you the fan that I said, the metal. Look at that. Under that metallic mesh, there's an actual jet style fan. Metallic jet style fan. This is not just anything, it's really a jet dryer and blower. This is no jokes. And besides that, I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, it just shows for its own self how good and powerful it actually is.